out to go have lunch with our friend. And so beautiful here. The ride here was awesome. But I'm hungry. I didn't eat all day. Neither did she. We hangry though. How pretty.
Hi! So we're at Sundance Mountain Resort. It's so cute in here. We've never been here before. They have like a resort, a shopping little area, a restaurant, and like so many cute things. I'm so excited to explore it.
I'm Morgan Freeman.
Cute. What the heck? It's so cute in here.
We got these cute
This is Zoe, by the way. This is Zoe.
So happy to go to school.
I just cannot get over how cute it is here. Like, what the heck? Everywhere you turn, there's cute decorations. Look how cute this store is. Wait, I like this. We're on to outfit number 2 to shoot, but it's like 4 o'clock and it's about to be really dark, which is one of the hardest things about shooting in winter, because it gets dark so dang early. But it's so cute here, so we have to take advantage of it while we drove down here, because there's just like a photo opportunity everywhere you look. That was so cute, huh?
Yeah.
No, it really was though. I want to come back here like when we have a full day to like explore it. And now I'm gonna go home, make a hot cup of tea because my throat hurts.
I'm writing Christmas postcards.
Oh wait, we need a Christmas mug. I think tonight we'll do Don't Get Your Tinsel in a Tangle. Let's see what kind of tea we should do. Or maybe I should do chamomile just because it's better for my throat. Let's see, green tea, pomegranate, passion. Oh, I do love passion tea. Or maybe we'll just do wild berry. So we just got home. I'm about to drink some tea because my throat is seriously killing me. It smells so good. And I wanted to quickly open my gift from Zoe. It's so cute. I had a gift for her too, but I forgot to bring it today. So I'll have to give that to her another day. But how cute is this? A bath bomb. She knows me well. We literally just went there. If you remember the vlog I posted the other day, we went into Lush and I looked at everything and I wanted one, but I just didn't buy one for some reason. So that's so cute. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. This reminds me of my childhood. I was just talking to him about how I want a bath bomb because I've been taking baths a lot since I've been sick, but I didn't have a bath bomb recently. She gave me a Kylie loose powder highlight. That's also so funny because you guys know that I've done a lot of different looks and things with Kylie Jenner products, but one thing that I've never got from her is a loose powder highlight, so that's like perfect. This one is in the shade Fiji. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's like a gold loose powder. And lastly, oh yes, a face mask. I literally love these so much, and you guys have seen me use them, and I like went through all of mine and I didn't have any left, so this is amazing. It's the Rose Heart Deep Moisturizing Pink Mask. So cute. Thank you so much, girl. That was so sweet. That's so special. I love my friends. But now I'm going to drink my tea, edit probably some of the photos we shot today, edit this vlog quick so I can get it up for you guys, and then watch a Christmas movie and pass out because I still don't feel very well. And I'm about to take some more NyQuil and call it a night.